Hi everyone, look at what I found at a yard sale. This is a Soviet multimeter from the 70s, maybe even 60s. There is no manufacturing date on the sticker. Hopefully there will be on the multimeter itself. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. Let's open it. Nice metal box. The multimeter itself, some foam, old foam. Okay, let's put it aside for a second. Testing leads, definitely not double isolation. What is this? A manual. Schematics of the multimeter itself. Something in Russian language that I don't really understand it. Okay, I will check it out later. Okay. So the multimeter itself. I have no idea what these buttons do. Okay, ohms, kiloohms, nanofarads. So that's to switch from resistance to capacitors testing probably. These buttons, as I understand, ohms. The middle one is kiloohms. And last one is for nanofarads for capacitors testing. So itself the multimeter can test resistance in ohms, kiloohms, voltage up to 500 volts, but I'm not sure if only AC voltage or DC also. Okay, capacitors resistance tester, only to 100 nanofarads as I understand, so not really useful. And also amperes, but I can't find the manufacturing date anywhere. No, it's not present. Too bad. I will try to start it up, but before that I would like to take it apart to see in what condition it is. Maybe there is some water damage or something like that. Okay, it's powered by 3 AA batteries, that's good. Let's take it apart. As I can see, there is only 4 screws holding it up, so that would only take a couple of seconds to disassemble. Okay, 4 screws are off. Let's open it up. Okay, here's the inside of it. This is a capacitor, I think, and it is definitely leaked. So I do not think that it's a good idea to take it up to turn it on right now. What is this? I have no idea, to be honest. Why is it lifted up? Okay. This is also looks damaged, but it's just like a coil, I think. Okay, so this time I definitely won't be trying to turn it on. I will try to disassemble this main board and check out what this component is, and to check if I could get a replacement part for that, but I think I will leave it for another video. So thank you for watching, and if you would like to see me taking it apart and trying to fix it, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.